everyone, I'm Tricia Meyer. I'm the founder and managing attorney at Meyer Law. This is the third video on the 5 things you need to know and do if you're starting a business. Today, we're going to talk about something that is really important, and that's protecting your confidential information. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our important business tips and strategies to help you grow your business confidently and keep it running successfully. And if you find this helpful, please hit the like button. All right, let's go. So, confidential information is any information that's relating to your new business venture that isn't available to the public or in the public domain. It's your business ideas, your business plans, your contact lists, trade secrets, financial data, technical and commercial data, and other intellectual property are all examples of confidential information. It is so important to protect it, and here's how you're going to do that. If you're sharing your confidential information with someone else, then you have to make sure that they are signing a confidentiality agreement, which is also known as a non-disclosure agreement or an NDA. You want to make sure that they're signing this before you share the information, and this is crucial. It's important to hold that person to obligations around keeping the information confidential, how they can use it, restrictions around use, and so much more. The last thing you want is that you share your confidential information with someone and they take your idea and run with it. Don't let this happen to you. Having a proper NDA in place is essential before you discuss your new business or confidential information with anyone. Your NDA needs to be tailored to your specific business. You should actually have 2 versions, one to be used when you are the only one disclosing your confidential information to another party, and then another to be used when both parties are sharing confidential information. A properly drafted NDA should clearly define the information being shared, the nature of the business relationship, and the reasons for sharing the information. It should also include restrictions on how that information can be used. An NDA should also define the length of the confidentiality obligation term and include a provision that any and all confidential information needs to be returned once the business relationship ends. Some people might be uncomfortable to ask another person to sign an NDA because they might think that that person might be offended or whatever the case may be, especially if they know that person well. But let's be clear, we're talking business here, and an NDA sets expectations and emphasizes the importance of keeping your confidential information confidential. Any reasonable person will understand the desire to protect your confidential information about your business. And I would certainly think twice before sharing your confidential information with someone who doesn't want to sign an NDA. Having a well-drafted NDA in place before sharing your confidential information is a crucial step when starting a new business. It needs to fit your specific business and provide an appropriate level of protection. The way your agreement is written could make or break its standing in a court of law. If you need help creating an NDA or you have questions about how to protect your confidential information, please reach out to us. We are always here to help. Thanks so much for watching.